Greg Brockman just dropped a tweet that's got everyone in AI circles talking. If you don't know who he is, he's the co-founder and president of OpenAI, aka one of the guys responsible for ChatGPT, DALL-E, and all the AI tools that are flipping industries upside down right now. So, when he tweets something about AI, people pay attention. And this time, he's talking about O1, a different kind of model that works in a new way compared to standard chatbots. The tweet went viral because it's not just another AI update. It's a glimpse into how we need to start thinking differently about AI. Most people treat AI like a magic trick. Type in a question, get an answer, move on. But here's the thing. The way you ask the question determines the quality of the answer. And that's where prompt engineering comes in. Greg's tweet included a breakdown of how to properly structure an O1 prompt, and if you understand it, you can get way better results than 99% of people using AI right now. So, let's dive into it. Why O1 is different. If you've used ChatGPT, you know it's already pretty powerful. O1 takes things to another level. It's designed to give highly structured, high-performance answers, but only if you know how to ask the right way. This means no vague, lazy prompts. Instead, you need a clear goal. What exactly do you need? A specific return format. How do you want the answer structured? Warnings or constraints? Anything it should avoid? Context. The more relevant details you give, the better the response. The anatomy of a high-performance prompt. Let's say you want unique weekend getaways near NYC. A weak prompt, what are some cool places to visit near NYC? You'll get generic tourist spots, stuff you could have Googled in 10 seconds. A strong O1 prompt. I want a list of the best unique weekend getaways within 2 hours of New York City. Each destination should provide a cool and unique experience and be lesser known. For each getaway, return the name of the destination, starting address, ending address, distance, drive time, duration of the experience, and what makes it unique. Return the top 3. See the difference? It's specific, no vague, cool places. It has a structured format, so the AI knows exactly what info to provide. It includes filters, lesser-known spots only. This is how you get AI to work for you, instead of just throwing random answers at you. 3 genius ways to use O1. Deep dive research without the fluff. Let's be real, Google is overloaded with SEO-optimized garbage. O1 gives you structured, high-quality answers without the noise. Instead of best marketing strategies, ask for top 3 underused marketing tactics, each with a real-world example and a step-by-step breakdown. Instead of how to get fit, ask for a 6-week strength training plan, including exercises, sets, and reps designed for beginners. Next-level content creation. Whether you're writing a blog post, making a YouTube video, or posting on LinkedIn, O1 helps you create high-value content fast. Give it your topic and audience. Ask for a detailed breakdown with key points, examples, and a compelling hook. Refine it by specifying tone, style, and structure. Instead of staring at a blank page, you get an optimized content framework ready to go. Business and productivity boost. O1 isn't just for research, it's a power tool for getting things done. Need a killer cold email? Get one tailored to your industry and audience. Want to save time on meetings? Get a structured agenda that cuts the fluff. Struggling with a massive report? Ask for a bullet point summary in under 200 words. It's like having a personal AI assistant that actually understands what you need. How to get the best results from O1. Be clear, be specific, be intentional. Provide context, who you are, what you need, why it matters. Define the format, lists, tables, step-by-step guides, whatever fits best. Most people will keep treating AI like a toy, but if you use it like a tool, you'll be light years ahead. Want more breakdowns like this? Smash that like button, drop a comment if you've got questions, and share this with someone who needs to level up their AI game. Catch you in the next one.